Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a website using Lovable AI and host it on Vercel for free. This step is absolutely for beginners, no coding experience. Just you need to prompt and create a website within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So let's get started. So first you have to come to the Lovable website, lovable.dev. Then you have to enter your prompt. So here I'm gonna type a simple web page for to show you a sample. Mostly the Lovable will create using Tailwind or React JS. So it will be a nice one if you need to create a portfolio or any website for business. So I'm here to type an prompt. Here you can see I pasted a prompt here. So this prompt I take from ChatGPT. So it's just a simple professional website for business. So if you need this prompt, I will add it on description. And you can also ask to ChatGPT to give a simple website for professional. So it will give a different type of. So today I'm taking this prompt. So just send it. And it will start thinking, and then after thinking it will be give the full code structure for us. And also I will show you a simple trick to not identify as a lovable, because when you create with a lovable you got lovable designs like lovable logo. So someone, if you give your link, they will know you're using website by a Lovable AI. So I will show you that tips. So I'm just waiting for it, let it complete, then I will come back. And our website is almost completed. Wow, this is great. You can see the simple website created by Lovable AI and is very professional, pretty much. So this is our website. You can see, and everything is working. If you want a backend or something, you have to take the pro version. This is free, so there is no more backend, but you can actually work on it. And when we can see the code section, we can see all the files here. So in order to get the file, we can connect with this to GitHub project. So for that, you can select, you can see the sync your project to GitHub, and you can connect your GitHub here. Just connect. It will connect to GitHub, and you can see my GitHub is already linked, so I can just click continue and just connect. You can see the transfer anyway. Let it transfer. Okay, our GitHub has been linked. So this is the file. You can see all the files are here. So next we have to host this website, right? You can also host using a Lovable, but it's not that much great because you can't change your domain after that. You have to pay. You have to take the pro version or something. So we're not gonna do that. So in order to get that, we can use Vercel. This is our website to host a website, because this is a React and Tailwind CSS. This is not a static website. To host your static website, check out my other video how to host your website on Firebase within 5 minutes. So this is not a static website, so we need an hosting called Vercel, and it's completely free. So in order to do that, you can just sign up for it, and you can see I'm working on commercial, set working on a professional, sorry, personal, and you you can type your name here and you can just continue with Google. Yes, we are here. I'm already created a website, so I don't want anymore. So before that, I will show you one trick that no one tell your website is made by Lovable. For that, I will show you something. When come to public, you can see there's a favicon.icon. This icon will appear on tab. Currently I'm using Sun browser. You can see this is the tab image. If you want, you can replace this icon. Okay, so I'm not doing that because we can't edit this file. This is completely locked. So for that, we can go back to our GitHub. That's where it is, and we can just download this as zip file, and it's downloaded. And we can extract. Okay, here we go. If you want to see this, we can just npm I to run this website locally. You can do that, so you can check what changes you made before uploading to GitHub live. So this is the best method. So it's live, so if you anything edited on file, it will automatically saved and display on your website. I will show you. So it's completely installed our node packages. Now we can just enter npm run dev. This will run our website. So just click on here, let it load the server. Here we go, our website. Okay, so this is the favicon. You can just remove that by going to public favicon, just press delete. We don't need that, and you can see it will be automatically get that. You don't have to worry, and it's gone. Then there's one more step here to do. Go to source and you can go to pages. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry for that. You can come back to the main folder and open the HTML index.html. So here you can clear if you don't want this. I almost clear this, and also you have to clear this important, because when you share your website link maybe on WhatsApp or Discord, it will show some kind of description like what's your website called and with image. This image is a thumbnail. It will display with a banner like image, so it will show the lovable image. So I will show you which image is that. Sorry. Yeah, this one. This will show you as a banner, so you have to remove that or replace with your image. So that's a simple trick you have to focus when you develop something on Lovable or any other AI. It will be added to. Then also you can change your titles, description, whatever you want. Doesn't matter. So this is the tips. You have to ensure that you will remove that. Okay. So I'm just saving. You can see everything we change it automatically displayed here, so no need to run again and again to check if something goes wrong or not. So everything will work fine and will be deployed quietly. So now we can just close it, and we are ready to upload this to our GitHub. For that, we can go to our browser here, then we can search where this and press new, and you can see type some business website, whatever. Then we just, okay, this must be private, otherwise everyone will show you project. I don't need that. So yeah, here I'm gonna uploading an existing file. Select and just open it, and it will start uploading all your files. Can press commit changes, then it will be process your files. Okay, we got some issues here. We want to add some files. I'm really sorry, we have to delete these node modules. That's the main reason it's not uploaded by drag and drop. I failed that. So you guys just remember that you have to delete, or you don't select this. Okay, that's why I'm adding this manually again. So first thing, you have to just control A and control Z, deselect and just drag and drop. It will be fine. I missed that part. That's the main reason it's not working later. So yeah, download. Files have been uploaded successfully. Just commit changes. Everything is ready, I think. It's processing your files. Yeah, great. Everything is done. So when come back to the Vercel, just refresh. You can see our website here, business website. Just press import. That's it. And you have to be careful here. When name your project name, this is the main domain you will come, because maybe in this case I'm typing here business website, so your domain become business website dot vercel dot app. So pretty, you have to be careful. Okay, so can what we call, I'm just typing for it shop. That's it. Whatever you need. So everything is pretty much simple. Not do anything is FrameMaker's white, just deploy it. Within seconds it will be deployed and your website will come live. Now it's building their node modules and other things. Setup will be okay. It's successfully completed everything. You can just hit continue to dashboard. Here we can see the core shop.vercel app is live, completely live. SSL certificate, everything is here, everything is working fine. So yeah, this is how your website is gonna live. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any doubts, you can comment it. I will clear you everything. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and goodbye.